Robert Heffernan with Endotech exclusively for the Pareto Network and Endotech subscribers. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our weekly segment. Sorry for that delayed intro. We might have to do that again. I like things to snap together. You know, we are post-Thanksgiving here on a sprint to Christmas. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I'm a master technician in the matrix when trading cryptocurrencies. And let's do the rounds and talk about it on this weekly. Doing the rounds, we do it every day. Talking cryptocurrencies. Things in the news. You know, I've been off the con here for a couple of days now, but let's talk about it. You know, I did warn the last time that we talked that I thought that we needed a full washout here. We got a full washout in many of these cryptos to levels that I think are intriguing, all right, intriguing. I'm going to talk about that in the vitals section. One thing I wanted to talk about is, you know, you read these things, you read headlines all the time, and since I've been involved in the markets for a long time, you know, I have to poke holes in the storyline. And so the headline was something to the effect of, well, let me read you the headline. Bitcoin price plunges to new yearly low at 3,456 on Coinbase. What's causing it? And they don't really go on to tell what's causing it, except there was more active selling and sell orders hitting buy orders. All right. But the thing that I call question to is a quote in the article saying one alarming trend of both Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies is that the prices of leading digital assets are dropping by relatively large margins with low daily volumes. All right, now, this is this week, all right, which was Thanksgiving week in the United States of America, a much lower trading activity going on, people taking vacations, people doing the important things of visiting friends and family, reaching out, imbibing, eating incredible food, being grateful and thankful for all that they have, and maybe not trading cryptocurrencies. So when you have a market dynamic like this, and believe me, I had many times and experiences on a trading floor where low volume does not, and the market activity that happens because of it is not necessarily alarming or indicative of what's going to follow. It just means that there's not a lot of people playing, all right? And the people that do want to be involved, longer term time traders are putting in orders at much lower levels, hoping that these markets get thin and the market comes to them where they can put on positions that they might not get to in a fully active and engaged marketplace. So there's nothing alarming for me about the price action that it drifted lower and marginally lower or bigger margins lower on low volume. They want to paint that picture that, you know, that tells me the way they write the article, what it tells me is look out, there's much lower price activity coming because we already went this far on low volume. No, it doesn't mean that at all. It means people are eating turkey, you moron. All right? That's what it means. Anyway, we're going to go to the vital section here fairly quickly because I need to talk to Weekly Fractal. And we've exposed a lot of this downside that I talked about, and we got great trade setups coming up this week with this price action. And I want to talk about that in the vitals, so let's do that. Let's talk about that in vitals. In order to do that, you need to be an Endotech subscriber or Pareto token holder. If you are watching this on YouTube, you need to be one of those two things in order to consume the content. And you can do that at endotech.io, so please subscribe or buy Pareto tokens in order to do that. All right, so I'm going to say see you later to the YouTube crowd, and let's take the vitals.